Hi, and welcome back to another video in the Learning to Roll video series. My name is Sam, and I'm a pediatric physiotherapist with Alberta Health Services. In this video, we're going to go over some tips to help your baby roll from their back to their tummy. One thing you can try is to help move your baby from their back to their side and return to their back. It is often easiest to help your baby by gently pressing one hip up and forward until your baby is laying on their side. This gets them used to how it feels and how they move their body to roll. It's important to practice this movement to both their right and left sides. You can try rocking your baby's hips from one side to the other while they're laying on their back. This helps them learn how to shift their weight, which is a key part of rolling. The next step is to have them start to work on this movement themselves. Encourage them to turn their head to one side to follow a toy. Then help guide their body, arm, and leg over to that same side. Once they are used to rolling from their back onto their side, rolling all the way over to their tummy may take a month or two longer. Another thing you can try with your baby is having them lay on their back and hold a toy directly overhead. Now try moving the toy to the side so that they turn their head. Then raise it up over their head so now they're looking up and to one side. Looking up and to the side like this is the first step to rolling independently onto their tummy. You can also help them roll from their side onto their tummy. Once your baby is on their side, slowly move the toy from their side to in front of their head. You want your baby to turn their head and look up at the toy. This helps them start to roll. Your baby may also reach for the toy with their top arm, which will also help them to roll. As your baby gets stronger, help them less and let them do more of the work to roll themselves. Sometimes at first, your baby may have trouble bringing their hip and leg forward to lay onto their side without falling back. You can help to guide the hip and the leg forward to continue the motion onto their tummy. By bending one leg and bringing it up over their body, you help bring them into side lying. You can see if they can complete the roll from here on their own. Again, make sure to practice rolling to both sides. Once your baby is on their tummy, they may have an arm stuck under their body. You can help to gently move their body a little to the other side to help free this arm. You can also encourage them to reach for a toy with this arm to help them learn to free it on their own. Congratulations, your baby can now roll from their tummy to their back and their back to their tummy. With continued practice, they're going to get stronger, more confident, and be able to move themselves around to explore their world.
Find information, support, and services for you and your child by clicking on the link in the description.